Because I now deliver plant machinery, I have to chain everything down rather than use straps, and I keep all the chains in the side lockers here on the neck of the trailer. Typical me, I like to keep everything neat and tidy, so I've got 6 chains and tensioners in this side and 6 chains and tensioners in the other side as well. Each of the chains has a hook on each end, and they're quite long and rather heavy. The chains go through the D shackles, and there's 4 of them on the neck of the trailer, and there's a further 10 down on the bottom part of the bed. There is also 9 D shackles down the side of the trailer as well. We also have these bits as well, which you can hook into. Tend not to use the hooks here. It's more for rope and sheets, which we don't have to worry about. One of the things that these D-rings are handy for is putting the tensioners in when you're waiting to be loaded, because it just means they're not on the ground getting damaged. Now, the reason we use chains rather than ratchet straps is their braking strength. These chains have a braking strength of 5.5 tons, whereas a ratchet strap typically has a braking strength of 2.5 tons. Today I'm picking up 2 machines, so I need 4 chains for each machine. So down each side I've put 4 chains and 4 tensioners ready for when they finish with the machines. Now I've just got to go back into the cab and sit and wait for them to be done. Now that the machines are loaded, we can get the chains on. The tensioners hook around the chains like so, and then are tightened up. First off by twisting, and then we can start actually applying some pressure. When we are loading these machines, we need to make sure we're pulling in 2 directions. So that one is pulling forward and this one is pulling back. Because of the types of machines, we can't cross strap them, cross chain them, so yeah, a little bit more difficult sometimes. And there we go, we've got it the same on this one here. This one's pulling from front to back, and this one is pulling from the back towards the front, so just means it's pulling in each direction. Last thing left for me to do is to get the ramp up and secure, and then we can get out of here, and that'll be me done. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. They take forever. There we go, now they're done.